Okay, get ready to start selecting a brush. Um, Before we do that though, let's go ahead and review a couple of things. We have a lot of brushes on our panel on the left side toolbar. We have the brush tool, which is quick key command B. We have color replacement tool, which is also B. Then we have the mixer brush tool, which is also quick key B. Everything's B. Then we have the history brush tool, which is Y. I believe for our assignment, we're going to choose a mixer brush. But before we do the mixer brush, we need to click and use the eyedropper tool. Click onto the red on the palette, and that brings, you can see our swatch, our foreground swatch is now red. Then we're going to click the mixer brush, quick key B, and then we go up to window, brushes, and I think my brushes are hidden underneath something. So let me go, I think it's brush setting actually. And then we're supposed to click on to the 30, the first brush on the upper left corner, the soft round 30. But there's a lot of other brushes, so hold fast. We'll get to them pretty soon.